Hello, I'm Robadang.
And I'm Romias. Who is the greatest film director?
Perhaps Spielberg? Or Director Bong?
No, it's you. It's you. For too long, we've treated film as something massive. Huge cameras, lights, hundreds of staff.
This is intimidation. It makes actors nervous. But this
is daily life. No one fears this lens. The real story isn't under perfect lights. It's here, in your shaking hand. The most honest tears, they're shed in front of a smartphone. It's blurry, it's shaky. Good. That is the texture of reality. Don't blame your gear. Roll on the floor. Run with them.
Technology
Is the story.
Lighting
Lighting?
is the emotion.
The camera.
The camera is your eye.
Everything you need is already in your pocket.
Now,
Go tell your story.